Hey people, I'm still continuing to rant and rave and piss and moan about the snow and the city, Scranton and everything. You know, here I am living in a hick area, okay? And some of the roads are just like Scranton. Some get done by PennDOT, some get done down there by the city, up here by your local townships. But what a difference. Look at this road. City of Scranton wouldn't even be done like this. Try getting on the Scranton Expressway right now. As soon as you get on, you have to immediately turn into traffic. Why? Because they didn't even fully plow the entrance ramps getting onto their own expressway. This is done 872,000 times better than any road in Scranton is right now. City of Scranton, half this shit would be in my lane right now. Literally. With a bunch of DPW workers down the end here, sitting on the side of the road, pissing on how hard they worked, when it was the equipment that actually did all the damn work. But I just wanted a little video thing of the differences. You know, what it looks like up here compared to down there. Amazing. Anyhow, that's all for now.